All right, so this video is to go over how to complete and submit your activity log. So in addition to your personal progress portfolio, all students will be required to complete an activity log in this course. Students are required to complete a minimum of 25 supervised training hours. That can be supervised by a coach, a teacher, or let's say a physiotherapist, or you need to be able to complete a minimum of 50 unsupervised hours. So this could be just training that you're doing on your own at home. The way that you are going to prove that you've done that is you are going to submit an activity log, and you are going to provide a reference. So someone that can verify that you've actually completed those hours. So I'm going to go through how to complete that. Again, once this is submitted, that will indicate that you are ready to be completed in the course. And at that point, you will not need to continue to submit any assignments under the upcoming months. So March, April, May, or June. Again, students do have the flexibility to decide when they want to complete the course, and if you've already met the required hours, you can complete the course even today. If you're hoping to continue in the course, you have up until June 15th to submit your activity log and final project. So go ahead and follow along with me on my screen. So this is the cheer course right here. Again, if you are ready to be completed in the course, you are going to complete the final project section. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the student activity log here. You'll have some basic instructions for this assignment, but what I want to draw your attention to is the activity log template. So you can go ahead and click on that and open it up. Now on this template, I've already got it up there, but on this template, again, you'll have some instructions. It's important to include your name and date. Athletes, again, have to complete a total of 50 credits. So the way that I've done this is if you have one supervised hour of training, that's going to equal 2 credits. If you have 1 hour of unsupervised training, that equals 1. So essentially, when you are supervised, you get double the amount of credit for that, which is going to allow you to potentially complete the course quicker. Now, most of you have been in the course for 6 months, so I don't anticipate that anyone will have any troubles meeting these basic requirements. So what you'll do, and you just go ahead and follow along, is you will fill out, and you can backdate all the way to the beginning of the course, hours that you've trained. So let's go back to, let's say, October 15th. Okay, I maybe had a 2-hour practice, and I'm gonna list the description there. So practice with all-star team, and then you can put your location. I'll just put SD43 here. Now, again, you're gonna indicate whether it was supervised or not. So if it was a practice and you were with a coach, you are gonna indicate yes. If this was individual training, you are gonna say no. Now, given that it is supervised practice, I get 2 credits for every hour, so that means I get 4 credits total here. And then of course you can put your supervisor's name. In my case, it would, let's say, be Coach Ashley. And you're going to repeat this for, again, all the hours that you've trained. So let's say the following day, October 16th, I did 1 hour training on my own, and let's say I went for a run. And I can say at home, supervised no, and I'm only going to get 1 credit for that because, again, it was 1 unsupervised hour. Now for supervisor's name, you can just say not applicable, or you can leave it blank. That's up to you. Now, once you've done the entire activity log, you're going to total up the credits right here, and make sure that they equal 50 credits total. Again, that is the minimum that you're going to need to complete this course. If you have more credits, that's totally fine, but I will be looking for that 50 credit minimum. As you scroll down, you'll also notice there is a reference here. All students are required to include at least 1 reference. So this could be a certified coach that oversees your training, your private coach, your team coach. It could be your gym owner, or it could be a teacher at your school, counselor who is aware that you are doing this course and can verify. So I'll use myself as an example. Ashley Pellizzeri is going to be the contact. And it's important that you include both the phone number and email. Now, these phone numbers and emails will be used in the event that I feel like I need to reach out to that coach in order to verify everything that you've put on paper. So the other thing that I would recommend doing is just potentially contact them ahead of time and ask if you can use them as a reference. That way, if I do contact them, it doesn't come as a surprise. So once you're done all of this, again, of course, you'll make sure that you go ahead and click File Save. Make sure that you save it with all the information that you've recorded, and then you're going to return back to the course. And I'll just open my screen to the course here, and then you'll submit it. Okay, so you'll have an option down here to say Submit Assignment. Now, once you've done that and you've submitted your activity log, that will notify me that you are ready to be completed in the course. At that point, let's say, for example, that you decide to be completed in April, you do not need to submit any assignments for the months of May and June because you've indicated that you're ready to be done. If you have any questions at all about the activity log or how to complete it, feel free to send me an email and I'd be more than happy to help you. But it is a pretty straightforward process. Again, you don't need a signature on the activity log. That's been a pretty common question. All you need to do is provide the contact information for a reference. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. You can also reach out to your support group that we created through Instagram, Facebook, and your text group chat. If you're having any troubles, always ask a friend to see how they did it. Good luck with the remainder of the course and have an excellent spring break.